All right, welcome. Sound check 1 2 3. Sound clear? Can you guys hear me? I'm just talking about with the YouTube right now. On YouTube, you guys can hear me clearly. Hello, testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so you guys can hear me clearly, and also the screen is clear right now. Okay, let me just do adjust the things first. Here we go. Let me do adjust some settings. Need a little patience by your side. Okay. All right, sound check 1 2 3 1 2 3. Sound check 1 2 3. Can you guys hear me? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Let's just get started. All right, the things are just settling down. Need to adjust the chat. All right, let's just get back to YouTube. Okay, just here we go. All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Let's just get started. What's just going on a goal? It's the first day. I'm also doing the live stream for the YouTube. So let's see how my first experience will go. So let's just get started. Let me just remove these all things. First thing first, let me just remove these all things. So starting from the daily time frame. Okay, so daily we just created a resistance right now. We're just pushing to the downside. I'm just very like look at the previous candle. It's just continuously pushing to the upside, but current candle just continuously pushing to the downside. So current session trend could be like a bearish one. So let's just go from daily to H4 to look at the more better picture. So we're just having the same resistance and the support, I think so, on the H4. So just need to flip from H4 to H1. H1, you can see we are just having like a support here, and at the same time we're just having like a resistance somewhere here, but we just need some more clear picture. So for more clear picture, we just need to go through from H1 to M30. So on M30 you can clearly see that we are just right now doing some kind of consolidation. So if market just doing some kind of consolidation, it's mean that right now there's just no trend going on. So we just need to wait for some breakout structure now. Look at the 50-minute time frame, candle just printing side by side, just doing some kind of consolidation. So very high probability that if we just got some kind of breakout structure, if we just break and close below this area with the opening of London, and the London just going to be open right after like 20 minutes, I think so. So if we just broke and close below this area, we could go for the wick fill on the left hand side. This makes sense. And it's just like a 70 pip range to the downside. So can we grab like 20-30 pips out of it? So let's see. And at the same time, if we just break above this area, we have a minor resistance on the left hand side on the 50-minute time frame. But on a 30-minute time frame, if we just broke above these both wicks, so very high probability we will fill this range. So right now we just need to wait for the candle to close in our direction. I'm just not gonna take any kind of impulse entry, to be honest. Let's see. So yeah, this could be a best plan for the gold actually. Let me adjust my zones. All right. Hey man, it's pleasure to see you on YouTube. Yes, we are on YouTube now. I just did not like announce it before coming on YouTube, so that's why I'm just having like a less view, I think so. But it will be best thing. You should have to be take your first step, then things will be going in your favor by step by step. Okay, so we have a resistance now, and we are having a support right. All right, share the link of your YouTube so we can help you, sir. Oh yeah, sure, why not? Let me just see. Let me just see this one. All right, here you guys go. All right. Okay, everything just settled down now. All right, so you plan to live trade every day? No, actually, I'm just going to be to live trading. Like one day Raja bro will do the stream, and another day I will just do the stream. This is how we should do it actually. And whenever Raja bro will never available, then I will also do the stream actually. Okay. So just waiting for this candle to be closed. Let's just see how this 50-minute candle is just going to be closed. Look at this one. The size of the 50-minute candle just clearly showing volume in it. So Chaudhary Irfan just sent us a chart actually. Let's just look at it. So, oh, why you just took a sell here, buddy? What was the confirmation? You just executing within the range. It's just not a valid trade. If even it just goes in your favor, you could be lucky, but it's just having like a less probability. Make sense? You just need to wait for the candle to close below the support, or to wait for the candle to close above the resistance. That makes sense only. I just don't know what was your thought process about behind that trade, but it's just not a valid one. Okay, so things are going well. Let's just see. Look at this one. I think so it's just never let us to execute on this structure. This is what we were just waiting for, but we just need a candle to close in our favor. Now it just moved far away from the support area. It just moved like 40 pips, so we just need to accept one thing here. It just already moved now. What I just wanted to see here, you know what, I just wanted to see some kind of structure to be formed here for the execution, and structure should be something like this. Let me just show you. So what I just wanted to see on the chart, I just wanted to see a candle should be close nearby the support area, and then next candle create a wick, break the low. That could be a very beautiful impulse entry for the continuation to fill this wick what we just already have a plan. But look at this one, it just fill the wick with just leave us behind. There's just like 15 minutes still left for the opening of London, and there's just like an impulse entry I would say, but I was just not comfortable with this. Look at the overall structure. Let me just show you. If you just look at M30, it just never give us any kind of confirmation. This candle just rejected with a long rejection close with a small body. This candle just rejected from the same place, close above the previous candle. So what is the probability if this time it just broke the low, it will continuously pushing to the downside? Very less probability. So if you just miss the move, you just don't need to get into some kind of FOMO that you just missed the move. Now what you just need to do, all you just need to do, you just need to accept it that you have just missed the move. Now just wait for the new structure to be formed. Once everything just on point, then give your trade a chance. Don't go for the market, let it come to you. You just make a plan, then just stick with it. Make sense? Just stick with the plan. So the plan was to wait for the candle to close below the support, but it just never let us to execute. It just filled the complete range. Look at this one. I was just talking about. Like it just going to fill this wick on the left hand side. It just already filled it, this one. So now we just need to wait for some new structure to be formed. Just can't do anything. Just let's see how this candle just going to be closed now. Okay, look at this one. Still it just close far away from the support. It just moved like 30 pips far away from the support. No mean to execute somewhere here. Just need to wait. I just need to see something like this is let it just go. I just need some kind of support to be formed. Then if it just broke the support, that makes sense for the sales. Or if it just do some kind of retracement, give me some kind of confirmation candle, then I just need to see. I just need a confirmation candle, tradable range on the left hand side, clean traffic on the left hand side, or volume time, session trend. So everything was whenever these all things were in my favor, there's a high probability I will win the trade. And still if it just never worked out, we just work with the probability. If still it just never worked out, we just gonna manage the risk. That's all we can do as a retail trader. Okay, we broke H4 low. Let me just see H4. It doesn't matter if we just broke the low. You know what, we need confirmations. Lower time frame will give us the confirmation what can be happen on the higher time frame. Make sense? So lower time frame can give us the confirmation what can be happen on the higher time frame. So lower time frame broke the support area without giving us any confirmation, so we cannot just execute on this one. I just wanted a candle to close below the support area because it's just doing consolidation. Look at this one, how long it's just doing consolidation. Like 1 2 3, it's just continuously doing from 3.5 hours. It's just doing consolidation. Then it broke the consolidation without any confirmation. We just can't do anything. In this kind of scenario, when market just continuously rejecting from the certain level, you just need then a confirmation candle closed in your direction. So then there's a high probability you can be win that trade. Now you just need to wait. Just need to wait more. Did you take any trades so far this week? Yeah, I think so. I took these trades on this account. It's actually educational account. just never use it as a personal account, but I'm just trying to grow it. So it's just standing at $500 on profit still by using smaller lot sizes. Yeah, these one these the stop losses where it just hit the stop losses. You can see the even hit by the stop losses, it just close in profits, means that I just place my stop loss at break even. I just manage the risk. Look at this one, even it just hit the stop loss, still it's just close in profit. This one, this one. So yeah, it's like let me just see what I have just done this week on this account. Okay, so this week I just took like 4 trades, one loss and 3 profits. Yeah. Okay. Look at the gold, it's just continuously pushing to the downside. क्या आप रोज़ाना लाइव आया करेंगे? No, one day Raja bro will do the live and another day I will just do the live. Where the recording? It's just okay. I just forgot something. I was just doing a lot of things on my system, so just forget to record this session on the Zoom. Yeah, now it just started, buddy. Alright, so just waiting. I'm just waiting here. Let's see. Look at this one. It just never let us to execute on this structure, and that just broke the structure and continuously pushing to the downside. Now I just need to wait for some new structure to be formed. You know what I will do? I will just wait for some kind of structure. I just need something like I just need to see something should have to be printed like this. Like if it's just going to the downside, I just wanted it to continuously pushing to the downside, and then I just wanted it to stop here. And then after stopping, if it just creates some kind of great structure for the buys, then I will took a buy. But if it just creates some kind of structure like this, candle just close with like a small body or something like this, and then next candle create a wick and break the low of the previous candle, like broke the support, then you know what, there's a very high probability below these all wicks on the left hand side it will continuously pushing to the downside, because we are just having like a clean traffic to the downside. And if you just wanted to force yourself for the execution somewhere here somewhere here, you can see we are just having like a dot of rejection on the left hand side. See this one? So you just need to be wait here, because if you just wait here, there's a very high probability you will get paid. Make sense? Like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Rajabai, and Tuesday or Thursday, yes, something like this. And whenever Rajabra will also not available, then I will also do the stream. Okay, need to do a quick breakdown again, cause just record. Yeah, you are right actually. So we just break it down from the higher time frame to lower time frame. Daily candle just continuously pushing to the downside. Previous daily candle just closed with a very strong bullish momentum, showing a strong bullish momentum from daily to h4. H4 just created a resistance. Right now the h4 just like pushing to the downside. If we just look at h1 just created a resistance, created a support. But for more picture, we just need to go through from h1 to m30. You can clearly see that it's just doing some kind of consolidation. And if you just look at m15, you will just confirm that it was just doing consolidation. Then it just broke the support area without giving us any kind of confirmation, and then continuously pushing to the upside. That the plan was actually, if it just close below the support area like as a confirmation candle and close nearby the support area, then we will give our trade a chance to fill this wick on the left hand side. But it just leave us alone without taking us with it, and it just push to the downside with the volume and fill the range on the left hand side. Now I just need to wait for some new structure to be formed, and I just already printed the structure. Like I just need to see some kind of support to be formed here. If it just created some kind of a very good counter trade setup, or if it's just showing very strong bullish momentum in it, then I will just go for the buy. Or the next thing, the best thing what I just wanted to see, the session trend is just going like in a bearish momentum. So if this candle just come down, create some kind of support, then if it just broke the support, we have a clean traffic on the left hand side, tradable range, each and everything just will be on the point. This could be a beautiful trade, because if we just like try to force ourselves to execute somewhere here, very high probability we can reject from anywhere. I hope this makes sense. How do you draw candles on the chart? Wow, by using the software of Zoom. All right, so I think so YouTube are facing might be a little latency, like 10 second or few seconds late. They are just getting my message. Is it work like this? Am I right? What the hell is this? Okay, so there's just like 6 minutes left for the candle to close. Let's see what this 6 minute candles will bring on the table. Just need to wait here. Just already missed this one because there was just no confirmation for us. So we just never never force ourselves for the execution. This could be the perfect place for the execution. Wake up and flip bearish for sell. Chris, what you just talking about on the 30-minute time frame? Next, M15 on M15 right now just continuously pushing to the bullish right now. Look at this one. There's just no confirmation for the sells right now. There's just like 5 minutes left for the opening of London. So just need to wait. M30 still open. Might be just close back into the range. So then we just need to wait more. It's very important to wait for this 5 minute, because in this 5 minutes, like it will be opening of London. It can be show volume in it. Still I can see some kind of bullish structure right now, the way it's just reacting right now. Look at this one, 30-minute time frame just rejecting. 50-minute which is just having like a lower confirmation right now. So just need to wait more, a little more. Just wait for the 5 minutes. 5 minute will give us some more clear picture actually. Okay, I don't think so, because of if you take a look, the overall trend is bull. This could be a support. If you don't think so, then just take a buy. Take a buy. What are you just waiting for? If you're just having a perspective of the bullish one, then just take a buy. If the M30 close below the range with this huge wick, will you consider to sell? No way. I will just never going to be take a sell if this candle just close within the range. M15 close back into the range. If it just close back into the range, there's a probability it can fill this range again. So just need to wait here. There's just like 4 minutes left for the opening of London. Let's see where the London volume will take us actually. So damn me, just send us a chart. Okay, so you're just waiting for some kind of resistance to be formed. Yeah, this makes sense. Let's just create some kind of resistance. If we just give you some kind of confirmation candle, there's a probability it will continuously pushing to downside. Yes, makes sense. Just need to wait for some kind of structure to be formed. All right. Okay, can you show your trading history? I just already showed it, buddy. Let me just show you again. This account actually belongs to educational account, I would say. I have two other account as well with me. So for this account you can see the history. Look at this one. Profit loss, but look at the losses and look at the profits. And then I have just closed this account within 2 weeks by just providing education, just standing at $500. the, the stop loss you were just looking at on the left hand side, where it just hit the stop loss. It just like a break even, like it just hit the break even. That's why even it just hit the stop loss, it just closed in profit. Look at this one, break even. Look at this one, profit. This one the loss I have just took, but overall it's just like a profitable actually. So there is just like 2 minutes left for the candle to close. Look at 1 hour time frame, it is going down to 1 hour after breaking the support. What should I say, buddy? Just there is just like 1 minute left for the candle to close. Even if it just, if the 1 hour just close somehow like this, look at this one, this candle just 30 minutes just rejected with a long rejection. We come back into the range. It's just consolidating right now. Might be just like here we just wanted to execute, it just never let us to execute. Now it's just coming back into the range, so very high probability it will fill this range on the left hand side. Just need to wait. Yeah, someone just saying that I think we will go for buys. So you guys feeling that confusion in you? Someone just saying that we're just going for the buy, someone are just saying that we're just going for the sells. You know what? Let me just readjust the zones for you guys. This is the zone you are just having right now. This one is the zone you're just having right now. So for buys, let me just like make things simple for you guys. So for buys, the candle should have to be closed above this resistance area with a volume. There's a probability it will continue pushing upside. If you just wanted to go through this all rejection on the left hand side, then there should be a volume which can go through this all rejection on the left hand side. That makes sense. For sells, just wait for the candle to close below the support area, and depending again on the volume, look at the rejections on the left hand side. Look at the current candle, how it just rejected. Look at this one. Yeah, it just even did not close back into the range, did not close below the range. It's just clearly showing a confusion here. Why not to wait for some clean structure to be formed? Just build patience in you guys. Just need to be patient. Can you explain impulse in simple words? Impulse entry or belongs to where you just never get some kind of confirmation candle, like this candle. When it just broke below this area, it just moved impulsively, just never give us any kind of confirmation for the execution. So for impulse move, you just should have to be like experienced with the market, so you can read even the movement of the candle. Like you just can read the candles, how it just moving, how it just showing the volume in it. So it will never, if you just wait for the confirmation candle, if you just wait for the closing of the candle, there is a very high probability you will just gonna miss this move. So you can read the candle, you can read the volume, so you will just never wait for the candle to close in your direction. You will just execute by depending on the volume. That is the difference between impulse entry and a confirmation candle. Dot Royce, I hope so you just get clear now. I think we we will go for buys. It will not break support. This is 30-minute chart. I challenge you, we will go for buys. Why you just challenging here, buddy? Why you just do not go for the buy? Just click on the, click somewhere here. Yeah, look at this one. If you just click here, it will open a buy position. Just open a buy. Damn, there's just nothing going on. It's just consolidation. Just consolidation going on. It's the opening of London right now. We just enter into a volume time, I would say, but it's just consolidating. Let's just look at pound yen. What's just going on a pound yen? Oh, where the pound yen is gone. Okay, starting from the daily time frame, we're just having a resistance, I think so. At the same time, we're just having like a support on the left hand side from daily to H4. H4 just having a support as well. These are the rejection. Just need to look at these rejection. What these rejection like connected with. Like if you just go from higher time frame to lower time frame, might be this rejection having resistance in it. H1, look at this one. As I just already told you that it might be have resistance in it. So we're just having like a support here. At the same time, we're just having like a resistance on the left hand side. Need to go through more confirmations. Just see this one here. We're just having like a resistance, and at the same time we're just having like a support here. So we just need to see what we are just having on the left hand side. Look at this one. If this candle just close below the support area, you will see that you have a clean traffic of like 35 pips, so you can easily grab 15-20 pips out of it. This could make sense. Or if you just wanted to take a buy, I would say buys only make sense if you just break above these all rejection on the left hand side. If you just break and close above this area, you have a clean traffic on the left hand side for 50 pips. So this makes sense. Just like doing consolidation, also just printing side by side. Look at the size of the candle, just not showing any kind of confirmation. So you just need to wait for some clean structure to be formed on a pound yen, to be honest. For sells, it makes sense if this candle just close below the support area. You are having like a clean traffic on the left hand side. It's like a 35-40 pip range, so you can easily grab 20-15 pips out of it. Just be realistic with the things. Okay, okay, just pushing to the downside now. Wow, look at this one. Just doing some kind of volatility in it. Still, I will wait for the 50-minute candle to close in my direction. For the sells, I would say if this candle just close below the support area nearby these wicks, if the next candle create a wick broke the low, so I have a beautiful range of 60 pips, so we'll target like 30-20 pips out of it. Let's see how this candle just going to be closed. Okay, so Abu just sent us a plan. Yes, look at this one. It's a perfect scenario you are just having with you. Very beautiful. Like if you just break above the resistance area, if it just give you some kind of confirmation candle, next candle break the high, it will continue pushing upside to fill the wicks on the left hand side. And at the same time, if it just broke below the support area, next candle create a wick, break the low, you can fill this range on the left hand side. This is such a beautiful plan, I would say. Just give me 1 second. All right. Will you continue live stream on YouTube? Yes. I have worked on impulse entries on the 50 MT5 simulator, and I am profitable with impulse entries there. So what should I do now? Just like use a lower lot size and try to execute on a real account now. If you just get your proper grip on a impulse entry on a simulator, so you just need to understand how you just react with the real money now. So just go with a real account, use low lot size, and see how your psychology work with a real account with a real money, I would say. Bro, what do you think Russia war will affect gold trades? Yeah, whatever happened last day, it all because of the Russia Ukraine war, what just going on behind the scene actually. Okay, so just getting boring right now. We just need to wait some more time for getting a better picture. Okay, there's just like 5 minutes left for the 50-minute candle to close. I will just see that how this 50-minute will going to be closed now. So if this 50-minute candle just close below the support area and the next candle create a weak break the low, there's a probability I can give my trade a chance. We have a 50 pip range on the left hand side, so I will try to get like 20-25 pips out of it. As a beginner, making profits of $1 to $5 is not bad, right? Yes, even you just make like $1, win is a win. If you can make like $1, there's a probability you can win $100. There's a probability you can win like $1,000. There's a probability you can win 100K. So someone who just can make like even $1, he can make even hundred of dollars. Just need to understand the process that how you just make the $1. So it doesn't matter what load size you are just using there, it will work in the same way. Like even it's just going with a 0.01 load with some structure with some good confirmations, and at the same time you're just using like 100 loads, it will work in the same way. Okay. Okay, Pally live stream or 22 views, mashallah. Yes, you just have to be start from somewhere. Even you're just getting like a one view, still it's just a start. And if you just continuously doing the same thing, things will get changed for you. You just never need to stop actually, just need to keep going, just keep going. Let's see how it will be in 1 year. What is your opinion about funded accounts? It's great. If you just like a profitable trader on your real account, you should have to be go for a funded account. Definitely for getting a bigger capital. If this 50-minute candle close below support, the next candle picks up and then moves down, will you take trade? Exactly. If this candle just close somehow like this, how I just wanted to see it. If this candle how it's just reacting. If it just close somehow like this, let's gonna create a wick. As it just broke this all rejection on the left hand side here, I just give my trade a chance. Stop loss would be above the current candle, because it doesn't make sense to place stop loss somewhere here. It could be a bigger stop loss, because if it just created a wick, break the low, then there is no business of the current candle to come back to break its own high. If it come back and break its own high, then just need to manage the risk there. Make sense? So just need to wait. There is just like 2 minutes left for this 50-minute candle to close. What do you think gold will do correction today? No one knows that what can be happen on a gold. All we just need to see, we just need to wait for the confirmations. We just need to see some kind of traction, a certain trend, everything just on a point. We will just execute, make some money or lose some money, and then we'll just close the chart. That's it. How to manage risk in impulse entries depend on the structure what you're just facing there. There's a lot of risk management rules are there actually. अगर MT5 सिमुलेटर पर बंदा प्रॉफिटेबल हो 2-3 मंथ कंसिस्टेंट. My throat get dry to be honest. So actually someone just asking me that if someone just are like profitable on a MT5 simulator, so can they go directly to the real account, sorry, to the funded account? So I would just suggest you that if you just like a profitable on your simulator, just go with the smaller capital account of real one, I would say. So just like go with a $500, go with $1,000, and then just try to flip that, like increase the profit. Like I would say, if it's just like $1,000 account, just make like $500 in 2 months, 3 months. If you just prove yourself that you are just good, like a good trader on your real account, then you can go for a funded account. This totally makes sense. But because sometimes what happen, mostly people just like profitable on their real account, actually on the simulator account, but they're just not profitable on the real account because their psychology works different on the real accounts. So I would say first you just need to prove yourself that you are just like a good trader by making some profit on your real account, and then withdraw that profit and buy a funded account. That makes sense. Sir, we have a confirmation 5 minute, check it. We just never use a 5 minute time frame, buddy. If there's like a lot of volume, then we will see the 5 minute. We will just never, like, it's a rare thing we just use 5 minute. Mostly we just stick with 30-minute time frame, not even 15-minute time frame. But right now, as the candle size is just like getting bigger, so I'm just looking at like a 50-minute time frame. But mostly 90% we stick with a 30-minute time frame. Just wait. Just wait. Look at this one. This candle just closed below the support area. But how this current candle is just reacting right now? There is no business of this candle to come back into the range. Look at this one. How it's just clearly showing volatility in it. So what I am just expecting that might be this London will continuously doing some kind of consolidation, and pre NY or NY will bring something on the table. To be honest, this is something I can be expect from it. Look at these H4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 H4 just continuously pushing to the upside. Even it just broke above the resistance area on the left hand side. Now it's just retracing on the higher time frame. The higher time frame still bullish, to be honest. Smaller time frame just giving us some kind of like scalping directions. But look at the way how it's just reacting right now. Why it just did not broke all the rejection on the left hand side to continuously pushing to the downside. So you can read the candle easily how it's just reacting. Why to force ourselves for the execution? This could flip. Let's see. Let's see, buddy, if it could flip actually. We just not in any kind of hurry that to take some trade. We just need to wait, let the structure to be formed. When we just feel comfortable, then we will just execute. Before that, no execution, to be honest. ओ भाई वॉल्यूम आप करो स्ट्रीम का वॉल्यूम आप ही है भाई यू जस्ट नीड टू लाइक चेक आउट योर साउंड वॉल्यूम इज डैम आई एम फीलिंग लाइक आई एम ऑन अ यूट्यूब the question the question start getting same as Raja Prabhupada just answering actually. So I can feel that feeling. Do you think it has enough room if it breaks the low of the previous candle for the cells on 30-minute time frame? Let me just see this one. So yeah, actually we just need a lot of volume to go through this whole rejection. I just already like clear it actually. Okay, hi Kaiser, will it be better to wait for 30 minutes to close below support now? Close below 30. Yeah, just need to wait. Look at this one. No confirmation, just printing side by side. Volume is literally low, Cas. Really? Can you guys hear me? Can you just guys can't hear me clearly? Like, let me just see this one. No, it's good for me. Volume is fine. So if it's fine for other people, clear voice for me. The volume is good. So you can see there's like 4 to 5 people just saying that volume is just clear for them. So you definitely just need to look at your volume side. Dirty ears. Oh, someone just saying that you are just having like a dirty ears. Just need to clean it actually. So just waiting. So just waiting. Look at the weight. Just rejecting right now again. No confirmation yet. No confirmation yet. Just printing side by side. Candles are printing side by side. Just need some strong confirmation. I just wanted to see some kind of like a healthy body candle, like a healthy body candle which just showing me great volume in it. Give me some kind of clean direction, some like we just never face this kind of structure on a daily basis. If we are just facing this kind of structure today, why to force ourselves for the execution? Why not to wait for some clean structure to be formed? I'm just doing live stream from a long time. You can see guys, we just never face this kind of structure where market just like consolidation in this way. It just like continuously pushing to the downside, but it just not giving any kind of confirmation for the execution. It just behaving like it can be like reject from any place and will continue pushing to the one direction. So no one knows that there's just like no confirmation now. Same like Friday. Yeah. So just need to wait. Look at the way how it just reacting right. Actually, you can easily read that there is just no volume right now in the market. There is just like no volume. It's a clear sign of there is just like no volume in the market. So what is the probability if you just never get something during the pre London and you just never get something even with the opening of London? So there's a probability when the next when will be the probability the next volume will come? The next volume will become during the pre NY or NY. Definitely. Okay, I guess price check they make, which is 33 dollars. Market needs to clean its ear too. Yeah, exactly. Market needs to clean its ear too. Exactly. So there's just like 7 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close. So just wanted to see how this candle just going to be closed now. So we'll see that. So just waiting. Without earphone, volume is very low. With earphones, volume is nice. Okay, thank you. I think so. You should go with the earphones. If this 50-minute breaks its own low, then you just need to look at the time. Look at the time. Can you see the time on the left hand side? There's just like 7 minutes left for the candle to close, and look at the way how it's just reacting right now. So if you just wanted to take a sell, should have to be wait for the candle to be closed in your direction. It could be look like this on a 50-minute time frame, but it could be a impulse entry by depending on a 30-minute time frame. 30 minute will also will be give us the confirmation. So as an impulse entry broke below this all rejection on the left hand side, we have a 50 pip range, so we can grab 20, 15, 30 pips out of it. This is the next structure you should wait for if you just wanted to take a sell. This should be print there, but look at the way how it's just reacting. Nothing just on the chart. Just need to wait more. I don't think so we're just going to be get any trade during the London session, the way it's just reacting right now. I'm waiting and manage the uncertainty. Only how simple is that? Yeah. GJ volume coming. Okay, look at the GJ volume just coming. Someone just saying that. Okay, look at this one. GJ just going to be close below the support area. Wow, 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 wow. There's just like 6 minutes left for the candle to close. I would suggest you to wait for the candle to close below the support area, and then if the next candle create a weak break the low, the next target could be this one. This could be a best target, I would say. And you can have like a range of 40 pip or 35 pip range you're just having on the left hand side, so you can grab like 20 pips, 15 pips. That will be make sense. That totally makes sense. Look at the way it's just pushing to the downside. Might be just never let you to execute, I think so. Yeah, it just move impulsively, same as gold did with us. Back to the gold. Okay, when you started trading, how long were you in loss and for how long have you been profitable? So my first 9 months, I would say I was just not a profitable one. Let me just take a call. All right. Okay. So my first 9 month was like a struggling one. I just lose like $5,000 once, $5,000 twice, $1,000 once, $1,000 twice, and then I just find out Raja Bro. Actually, I just found Raja Bro right after 6 months of my trading journey, and I just start continuously watching his YouTube live streams and understanding the concept. Then I just never lose any account, to be honest. So now it's been like 4 years I am in this industry. It took my 4 years. Okay, are you comfortable to take GJ's trade? To be honest, I just never doing trading on GJ. To be honest, I just never like the way how it just moves. So it's like a long time I just never took a trade on GJ. I look at it, it's my like a second option. If gold just like behaving same as it is how it's just behaving like continuously for 1 2 trade, then I will just look at GJ that if I can get something on a GJ actually. So yeah, I never traded GJ 2 3 times. I tried with small risk, always in drawdown. I found Raja sir after 2 months of my trading. Yeah, exactly. Have you ever mistakenly closed profitable trade? Have you ever mistakenly closed profitable trade? Yeah, it's happened many times actually. Yeah. Sometime what happen is just going to be close like 50% position, just sometime I just going to close like 90% position, but I just wrongly close the complete position. Then what we can do, it is whatever it is. The volume is super low for me, everyone else is okay. Actually it's super low for everyone. Look at the way how it just printing, the candle just printing side by side. There is just no volume in it, it's just not showing like any direction. It's just consolidation, it's just a consolidation whatever just going on there. So how we can read the volume? When the candle size will become bigger and it start printing in one direction, it's just a sign of volume in it. And after that we just need some kind of structure to be formed there. So if everything just on a point, then we will just give our trade a chance. And still if you just get scared, if everything just on a point, then just load the load size and just be a part of your plan. Just execute on it. If you're just having a plan and everything just like whatever you wanted to see, how your eyes actually wanted to see on the chart, if just everything on the point, then just execute. And still if you just get scared that you will just lose some money, so then just load the load size, but you just have to be execute on it. It will build your confidence. Make sense? Not able to rewind the stream, I think so. When it just like uploaded on a YouTube, it will be easy for everyone to watch it again. What is your plan for gold? I'm just waiting for the market to break out, to give me some kind of breakout structure, showing me some kind of strong volume in it. It seems like market is slow today, not in a mood. Yeah, you're right actually. I think he is talking about volume of the stream. No, the current 30-minute candle looks like a exhausting candle. 30-minute candle looks like as a exhausting candle. Uh, Actually, it's still open. Look at the 30-minute, it just closed with a small body. Look at the 50-minute, it just closed back into the range. So there's just nothing going on. It's just like I would say it's just like a simple consolidation. That's it. Candles is printing side by side. There's just no trend going on. Let me just explain you one thing in a very easy way for the beginners actually. If market just going in this way, like it's just creating a, suppose that it's just like a bullish trend, so it's just creating a higher low, or it's just creating a higher low. It's called like it's just a trend going on. But once market just stopped somewhere, start printing side by side, or it just start doing some kind of consolidation, now the trend is just stop. Now you just need to understand, trend is just stop now. Now you just need a breakout structure. If it just break above the resistance, you can give your trade a chance for the buys. If it just broke the support area, you can go for the sells. All you just need on the left hand side, like a clean traffic on the left hand side, volume time, tradable range, or confirmation candle, and your breakout structure. When these all things just on a point, all you just need to do, just execute. Make sense? Is it clear now? So once market is doing like printing candle side by side, or just doing some kind of consolidation, it's mean the trend just stopped there. Mhm. Okay. Oh, look at this one. I just having like a 31 viewers on YouTube. Wow. It's just a beginning. It's just a beginning. No marketing, nothing. I just did that, but still, I'm just getting like a 31 people here. Wow, really awesome. It's a good start, I would say. Okay, so just nothing. There's just nothing. No volume. There is just like no volume. This candle actually, even if the current candle just broke the low, I'm just not gonna execute. You know why? This candle just do not have upper week. If it just create a wick, then if it just broke below this all rejection on the left hand side, might be again I can give my trade a chance, but I can't see anything here. There is just nothing on the chart, just consolidation going on. I think so there will be very high probability we will just get some moves during the pre-NY or NY or NYSC. Now the next session will bring volume. It will bring something on the table. Do this stream at least twice a week, I would say. It will be 2 or 3 times in a week. One day Raja Bro will do the stream and another day I will do. And whenever Raja Bro will never available, I will also do the stream. This is how it's scheduled actually. Okay, where is the stream right now? Is it any? Is this? Let me just see by myself. Okay, it's just showing like XSplit broadcaster watermark on it. So just, I think so. I just need to buy this software. Yes. After this stream, I'm just gonna buy this software. I was just like checking it out. It's just working fine. I think so. Yes. Is it fine, YouTubers? The stream is just looks like in a clean mode. On 30 minutes, it's going bearish. Mr. User, you continuously saying something like it's just going bearish. If someone just saying it's just going bullish, there's just nothing on the table right now. Just need a confirmation here, buddy. Just need a confirmation. Wait for the candle to close. Look how Syafiq limb just waiting for. Just wait for the candle. See, just relax. Just relax. Let the market come to you. You look like in a some kind of a panic condition. Like you just cannot like predict the market. This is the main difference between other traders and between us. We just never predict the market. We just take action once we just saw something on the table. When we just saw like volume, tradable range, confirmations, then we will give our trade a chance, like it just happened there, and we just take action on it. There is a huge difference between happen and will happen. Don't try to live in the future, just try to live in the present, what's just going on the chart. Just live in the present. Don't worry about the past. If you just make profit or if you just make loss there, just forget about it. Don't worry about the future, what can be happen in the future, no one knows that. Just live in the past. Close your charts, come back 30 minutes later. Yes, price action looks very ugly right now. Exactly, price action just clearly not showing any clean direction. It just like printing side by side, I think so. We just going to be get some move during the pre NY or NY. Yeah, before that it might be just continuously doing some kind of consolidation. I would say if sometime I just face this kind of structure, I rather to flip on H4. If it just creates some structure on H4 higher time frame, then I can see if I can like make the combination between the higher time frame and the lower time frame, and then I can give my trade a chance if I just face these kind of structures. Okay, 3365 level, 3365 level. This one, yes, if we just break above this resistance, we have this range on the left hand side, but still we just need a volume here to go through this whole rejection on the left hand side. That makes sense. Okay, I don't think so we're just going to be get anything now. So it's been like more than 1 hour. It's the first day for the YouTube, so I think so we just need to end the stream without getting any profit, without getting any loss, because there's just nothing going on. There's just no volume in it. So yeah, just need to wait more. I think so it will take like more 1 hour or 2 hour to create some structure. So might be because current condition is just not clear. It's just clearly showing that it just nothing going to be happening in the next 30 minutes or on a 1 hour. So yeah, I think so we're just going to be head off now. Can you explain your tomorrow trade? How I can explain my future trade? Can you explain your tomorrow trade? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a question. Someone just living in the future. I will tell you tomorrow when I just take the trade. Buddy, IG Ghost, Gold. Yeah. So yeah, I'm heading off. Thank you so much for having me. See you guys on today is like Tuesday, Wednesday, tomorrow Rajabra will do the stream, and on Thursday I will see you guys on Thursday with the same time. Till then, be safe, be careful. Don't try to force yourself for the execution if there's just nothing on the chart. Just relax. It's just not the last day of the forex. Just let the market come to you. So yeah, stay tuned. Be safe. Take care and bye bye. Now let me just see how I just going to be at the stream now. Thank you so much for the YouTube community. I would say it's like a I just got like a less tough question. I would say. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye. Hmm. First, I just need to stop it.